Guys, back with the second box. We'll go to 2011 Threads. Lots of packs in this one. It's going to take a little while. Alright, so start from the back. Good luck again, everybody. Alright, first pack of 2011 Threads. Tony Moeaki, T.O., Brady, Shane Coe, Gridiron King. That's a jersey, actually. Shane Coe, I guess that's our first hit. It's going to be numbered to 299. Vikings. Baron Batch, rookie. Heartline, Colt McCoy, Mendenhall, and Freeman. Pack 2. Hester, AP, Randy Moss, Titans, parallel, numbered to 25. Dante Mock, Shane Coe, Eddie Royal, Steve Smith, Giants, and Blunt. Pack 3. Tony G, Reggie Wayne, Star Factor, Des Bryant, not numbered. Allen, Mike Thomas, Carson Palmer, Sean Green, Crabtree. Johnny Knox, Stafford, Hasselbeck, Deshaun, Spiller, Jordy, Muhammad Wilkerson, Brian Cushing, and that was just a filler. Not numbered. Gridiron King. And Colston, Burleson, Freeney, Gridiron King, not numbered. Justin Houston, Austin Collie, Clausen, Ryan Terrain, and Chris Cooley. Steve Smith, the real one, Devin Best, Peyton Hillis, another jersey, Vernon, also numbered to 299. Second hit from Threads. TJ Yates, Tebow, Broncos, Jason Snelling, CJ, and Rivers. Josh Cribbs, Lance Moore, Y.A. Tittle, Heritage, Giants not numbered, Corey Leggett, Danny Woodhead, No Sean, LT Jets, and Scaife. Ray Rice, MJD, Falk and Steven Jackson, Generations. Numbered 50 of 100. Jackson, Generations. Terrell Pryor, Romo, Nix, Hines, Steven Jackson. Dallas Clark, Jonathan Stewart, Chad Henne, Marvin Austin, Jamal Charles, Chad, Jacoby Ford, Vernon. Pettigrew, Matt Ryan, Kevin Walter, parallel number to 250. Bradford, Arian Foster, Lee Evans, McCoy, Amendola. Ray, Mercedes, Tebow all-rookie team, Broncos, not numbered. Johnny White, Sidney Rice Vikings, Miles Austin, Zach Miller, Marshawn. Felix Jones, Reggie Bush, Clay Matthews, Stanley Havili, Fitz, Cushing, Big Ben, Bradford. Turner, Adai, Triple Threat Eagles, Vic, LaShawn, and Deshaun, not numbered. Greg Jones, Shipley, Branch, John Carlson, and Sanchez. Bradshaw, Driver, Ray Rice. Third jersey. 99. Hope that don't count as a third hit. Stephen Paella, Manningham, Andre, Cadillac, Macklin. Peyton, Urlacher, Ronnie Brown, Deion Lewis, Todd Heap, Sims Walker, Matthews, Santana. Breeze, Javid Best, Roddy White, Quan Sturdivant, Eli, Jennings, Santonio, Britt. Cutler, Percy, Witten, Gabe Karimi, D'Angelo, Brandon Marshall, Randy Moss, Mike Wallace. Wes Welker, Calvin, Star Factor Percy, not numbered. Rob Hausler, Fitzpatrick, Matt Castle, Donnie Avery, Lewis Murphy. Flacco, Ben Watson, Michael Vick, Winslow, Beanie, Floyd Broncos, Curtis Brown, and Pettigrew. Anquan, Garrard, Woodhead, Star Factor, Richard Gordon, Hightower, Schaub, Tolbert, Malcolm Floyd. Hester, AP, Generations, Ed Reed, Darrell Revis, not numbered. I think we'll random that. I think Johnny Patrick, Gaffney, Steve Breston, Mike Williams Bucks, and McNabb. All right, man. Down to 3 packs. Yes, hits. Wilkerson, number 50. That's Thomas, Fred Jackson, Debo, Williams, and DMC. Go. Dez, Pierre, Aaron Rodgers, Detroit, Short, Joe Webb, Tate, Foster, and looks like a Ponder. There we go. Christian Ponder, rookie auto Letterman. Vikings, numbered to 300. Ponder. Nice hit, Vikings. All right, last pack on the threads. We got Stafford, Tony G, Reggie Wayne, Sharif Wright, Cedric, Ben Jarvis, Patrick Willis, and Braylon. All right, so we had one.